You've likely seen these videos multiply across your feed. They claim a creator can generate massive wealth, upward of $60,000 in just 45 days, using Claude AI to run a YouTube empire. The strategy centers on the faceless channel, where artificial intelligence handles the script writing, generates the voiceover, and manages the editing, removing the human creator from the camera entirely. One specific viral blueprint promises that by combining a single master AI prompt with an all-in-one video generator, monthly revenue can surpass $70,000. This timeline suggests a pace of growth that requires a closer look at the underlying data. To see if these numbers hold up, we must audit the math behind the 45-day window. High-revenue screenshots often originate from speculative third-party tools rather than verified YouTube dashboards. These platforms estimate earnings based on public views, frequently creating inflated totals. Furthermore, this financial data actually belongs to established channels with no connection to the creator. The primary income for these viral videos usually comes from recurring permissions. By funneling viewers into affiliate links for AI software and paid communities, the guru makes money even if the viewers' channels never gain traction. This chart shows the gap. Reaching a $70,000 payout requires 10 to 20 million views per month. For a brand new channel, hitting those numbers in 45 days is a statistical impossibility. While the rapid timeline is a fabrication designed to sell software, the mechanics of faceless automation do represent a legitimate business model when stripped of the get-rich-quick framing. YouTube profitability is determined by demographic targeting. Advertisers pay a cost per mil, or CPM, which varies based on the perceived value of the audience watching the video. Advertisers pay a massive premium to reach viewers researching credit cards, insurance, or enterprise SaaS solutions like Typeform. This data visualization shows that a single view in these categories can be worth 5 times more than a view on a gaming or prank channel. Successful operators look for content gaps within these high-value niches. They identify specific, underserved topics, like tax strategies for short-term rentals, where they can dominate search results without competing against major media houses. By focusing on high-value corporate and financial demographics, the creator moves away from a popularity contest and begins constructing a targeted media pipeline. The production process starts with structured scripts. Rather than letting AI write without direction, operators use specific frameworks to ensure high retention, placing psychological hooks at key intervals to keep the audience on the platform. Auditory authority is equally critical. Robotic, monotone text-to-speech triggers high drop-off rates. Modern synthetic voices use neural networks to mimic human cadence and breath patterns, which is necessary to build subscriber trust. To maintain engagement, creators use content arbitrage. By layering stock libraries and generative AI, they insert a visual pattern interrupt every 5 seconds, ensuring the viewer's brain is constantly restimulated. However, YouTube's discovery engine, now powered by Gemini, is increasingly aggressive in identifying AI slop. The system is designed to suppress unedited AI scripts, monotone voice delivery, and repetitive stock footage loops. Human editorial oversight acts as the only protective moat. You must fact-check outputs, refine the narrative voice, and oversee the visual pacing to ensure the channel survives platform quality audits. AI provides the production speed of a full team, but without a human creative director enforcing quality benchmarks, the channel gets flagged and demonetized. Every new channel enters the ghost phase. This is the mandatory period where you must publish high-quality content to nearly 0 views, while the algorithm identifies your target demographic. Building this asset typically requires 10 to 15 hours of weekly work for 3 to 6 months. Revenue remains at 0 until the channel crosses the monetization threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The algorithm uses this time to collect data on viewer behavior. While the initial months offer no financial return, this data foundation allows for compounding exponential growth later in the first year. The ghost gaze functions as a stress test. It successfully weeds out hobbyists and get-rich-quick speculators, leaving the market open for serious digital operators. Relying solely on YouTube's ad revenue leaves the business vulnerable to fluctuating CPMs and algorithm updates. Successful creators stabilize their income by integrating high-ticket affiliate offers and selling proprietary digital products, such as specialized guides or templates, directly to their audience. This model transforms the channel into a liquid digital asset. Because the brand's value is independent of a single person's identity, the channel can be managed by a team and eventually sold as a turnkey media company. Building a systematic media company through AI is a multi-year project. While it offers no shortcut to overnight wealth, it remains a highly lucrative reality for those who prioritize long-term systems over viral promises.